Laura, before I start, 2 questions. First, brain controls behavior. Second question, growing up, did you ever suddenly get smarter? In high school, sudden smarts is Kai Kiao. Share your story in chat now. Today, make your brain smarter. It brain changes, chemical, structural, fun. Updating brain science breeds 3 cognition misconceptions. Myth 1. Parents' brains set your limit. Myth 2. Adult brains can't change. Third myth. Brain stops when you aren't thinking. Neuroscience shows it's always changing. Your brain keeps changing. Today, how to change it yourself. Autumn line. Behavior rewires brains. Today, surprises. Laura's he says you become who you are through what you do. Your behavior constantly shapes your brain. Facing choice. Being A or B. Repeating shapes who you are. Your brain isn't fixed. Life keeps building it. Sutra-esque actions shape who you become. Rewiring brain and defining you. Actions and choices matter. Not choosing counts too. Next, 3 brain changing 3 changes. Chemical, structural, functional. Chemical means brain signals neuron to neuron. Neurons trade chemical signals, shaping your body's reactions. So, anger and sensitivity differ. That's why music sensitivity varies for everyone, because brain chemical signals differ. Want to rewire your brain fast? Change behavior. Learn. Shift neuron signaling. Does last-minute cramming you useful? Since you have instant memory while learning, neuron signals strengthen more. Useful to learn. Yet next day you forget. Is chemical change boosts short-term memory. One lesson strengthens neuron links. Before exams, don't relax. Study. Last-minute cramming helps too. Chemical brain changes briefly. Brain stores long-term memory by reshaping neural links. Watch more long or fan, Zendong play. Deaths, they don't truly track the ball. Brains aren't that fast. Muscle memory reshapes brain structure. Ball comes this way. Body reacts. Rain reacts. How unlike chemical memory. Example, first time at piano. You learn a simple, learned it. You'll never forget. Next day, Hans like. Short study only shifts neuron chemical signals, not brain structure. Long-term study makes it unforgettable. Master the piece, and you won't forget, even with amnesia. Some still play piano. Long practice reshaped. Teachers made us practice and memorize poems. Reciting poems young made them stick. Your brain rewired. You also appreciate poetry more. That's why family and schooling matter. Basically, immersion and constant exposure quietly put you in long-term learning. Your brain rewires. A murderous child raised in a scholarly home can change wiring. Destiny isn't inherited. Commit to long-term study and practice. Your brain rewires. You can surpass limits. Third is functional change. London cabbies once lacked GPS. They memorized city maps in their heads instead. When Ryder asks to go elsewhere, he memorizes directions. Memory shows London cabbies' hippocampus much more active. Taxi drivers' spatial memory is unusually strong. Did London pick hippocampus active recruits? No. Ordinary guy. Long training boosted one brain function. Another simple example. Learn Braille by touch. And MRI shows these people's hand sensory brain area. Oh, that's training-driven functional brain change. Exciting, right? Every action subtly reshapes. Worst is you won't change. Slightly disappointing. Every brain adapts. Yet plasticity differs. Some change brains easily, others struggle. Practice piano or calligraphy to reshape brains. Takes 30 days, 60, or 2 years. Brain plasticity isn't fair. Everyone can change. But the pace differs by person. Is one region different, or the whole brain different? In field, if you wanted changed, tough but possible. Basically, brain change is personal. It isn't one size fits all. 30 hours of poetry changes our brains differently. We covered brain plasticity's upside, right? Downside. Bad habits become very hard to keep. Brain already remembers bad habits. Smoking, drinking. If your brain learns dopamine rewards, it struggles to quit. Hence addictive behavior. If you hate this lifestyle, seek dopamine elsewhere. It may hurt. Downside. Not doing some things rewires brains. If you read daily, quit for a trip. Your brain dulls over time. True. Yes, quit one good habit, and your brain changes. Whatever you do reshapes it. Damn. Advance or fall, but there's no standing still. Your brain power, improve or decline. Don't train it. Gets dumb. No, I keep right. If your brain's habitual thinking troubles you, you can change it through actions. Changing behavior is hard. Heard this before. Taiwan's Ma said, run by force. Habit becomes natural, useful. Rewire your brain. Yet smarter. Starting hurts. Force yourself into habits until they feel natural. Growth fights instinct. Lying flat is fine too. Want smarter? Hope this helps.